Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use a rotary switch within the Proteus. Rotary switch is just a simple switch yet having one floating component. Like one is the floating component and there are multiple static connections, okay? Not the component, we can say the connections. One is the floating connection and the others are the static connections. The floating connection used to connect one by one with all the static connections to make or break the circuit. Okay, so let's start the simulation. First, we need to go to our component library and search for rotary. Here we will just use the 4 terminal rotary switch. Okay, the one is floating while the 4 terminals are static. After it, we need to take lamps. Okay, we need to take lamps. There must be like some 4 lamps whose one end must be connected with the ground. Okay, or we can put the separate grounds. If you want, we can put the separate grounds, like here this ground and this ground, and one ground with this lamp and one ground with this lamp. Okay, now we need to connect one lamp with the one static connection of the rotary switch, like this and like this and like this. Okay, and now we will connect our floating switch with the positive voltage, that is the DC volt. So we need to take our power supply. Okay, now we will write 12 as the lamps used to operate on 12 volts. Okay, now we need to run it. We can see that the lamp number 4 is on. Now we move. Okay, now lamp 3 is on. Then again we move the knob and lamp 1 is on, and then lamp 2 is on. Now you can see it, and yes, and move them as well. This is having 4 connections. There are even one switch which contains around 12 static connections, so you can use it as well. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for visiting our channel.